Good morning, children. Today I have sent certain questions from chapter 3rd of First Flight to be noted in a fair notebook. Note them carefully without making any spelling mistake. And now I want to give you the summary of chapter 4 from the same book, that is First Flight. From the title of the chapter is From the Diary of Annie Frank. From the Diary of Annie Frank. This is a story of a young girl named Annie Frank. The story is based on her diary. Whatever she experienced, whatever things were happening in her day to day life, she used to write in her diary. Annie is a Jewish girl who has to go into hiding during World War to avoid the Nazis. She shares her experiences in the story when she is depressed. The chapter is an excerpt from the Diary of a Young Girl by Annie Frank. The summary of this lesson is: a 13-year-old schoolgirl, Annie Frank, was under some depression and despair. She thought of the saying, "Paper has more patience than people." Paper has more patience than people. Then she started writing a diary, but she was in need of a real friend, and who could be more than a diary? The writer explains that no one believed that the girl was alone in the world because she was actually not alone. She had her loving parents, a sister, and 30 other people. She had a decent family except her one true friend. With friends, one can have a good time. Everybody needs friend to share his her feelings, who stands by him her in the time of VL and woe. In their VL and woe. VL, WEL, WOE. Oh. We can talk of ordinary things every day, but we won't get closer. Even we cannot confide in one another. Confide means to have confidence. CONFIDE. Since the written facts cannot be changed, Annie started writing the diary. Annie thought that if I write, that will be perfect. That cannot be changed. That was her everlasting friend. She called that friend Kitty. Annie wrote that her father was the most adorable person. Adorable means who can be decorated, or in whose favor you can speak a lot in a positive way. Adorable. ADORABLE. At the age of 36, he got married. His father got married at the age of 36 to Annie's mother, Edith. EDITH. What was Annie's mother's name? Edith. In 1926, her sister Margot was born. Margot, MARGOT. Then she was born on 12th June 1929. 12th June in 1929. Annie was born. They lived in Germany. In 1933, her father immigrated, means moved from one place to another. Immigrated to Holland. She, along with Margaret, Margot went to Athens, Achen, Achen, to stay with their grandmother. By December, both the sisters went to Holland. There, she started studying at the Montessori Nursery School. When she was in 6th class, Mrs. Kupras, Kupers, Kupras, was her headmistress. At the end of the year, there was a farewell function. In the school, there was farewell function. Those who were leaving the school, we, the seniors, are given farewell by the juniors. Suppose the class 12 students are outgoing students, they are offered farewell by the class 11th students. The separation from headmistress was full of tears. Annie loved her grandmother very much. She fell ill in the summer of 1941. She had an operation, but she died in January 1942. Her father was all the more troublesome. What was her correct here? Her death. Whose death? Her father was disturbed due to her troublesome death. So her death was all the more troublesome. At Annie's birthday celebrations, a separate candle was lit for the grandmother. In her diary, Annie wrote that all the four members were doing well. She was much dedicated to her diary. This event was written by Annie on 20th June 1942 on Saturday. In her diary, Annie made a mention of her school experience. What were her experiences with her friends, with teachers, how the teachers taught, how the classmates behaved. Everything was mentioned in her diary. The complete class was nervous about their going to the next form, next class. Some of the students had made bets and staked all their savings, STAKED. For what? Regarding her, they were declaring pass, but Annie was not sure of maths. When the result was about to be announced, children were just making bets that if I get the first portion, then I will offer this and this, and my parents has offered me this and this, such type of betting. If parents are giving, they are encouraging their children, but when there is competition between or betting between classmates, it is different type of feeling. Regarding her, they were declaring pass, but Annie was not sure of maths. All had been telling one another not to lose heart. Everybody was waiting for the result and consoling each other. Don't worry, whatever happens will be better for us. There were 9 teachers. Mr. Kishing taught maths. He remained annoyed with Annie because of her talkative nature. Annie was very talkative. She talked in the class and teacher got irritated. Mr. Kissing was one of the most irritated teacher. He did not irritate Annie. He got irritated due to Annie's talkative nature. So he had given her some extra work to write in an essay on a chatterbox. It just like a punishment. Chatterbox, CHATTER, chatterbox. After the homework, Annie started thinking on the essay, what she should write on that topic. An idea flashed in her mind. She wrote, what did she write? Talking is a student's trait. and I would do my best to control. But I won't be able to cure this habit since my mother is also talkative. She told in her writing to the teacher that her mother was also very talkative. So, moving from the inherited trait, TRAIT, the custom, the habit of family, cannot be done. Moving from the inherited, what you have got from your parents, that parental qualities cannot be changed. There may be some improvement, but everything cannot be changed. On reading her arguments, Mr. Keesing had a good